Kamusta guys? Ito tayo muli nagbabalik para sa isa na namang reaction video sa banda Mission Souls, ang pinagmamalaking family band ng Cebu City. Meron silang bagong cover song guys. Ito yung kanta ng Danger Danger. Ito yung I Still Think About You. Ayan, konting trivia muna tayo guys. Danger Danger ay nabuo noong 1986. Isa silang American hard rock band. Ayan, ito yung kanilang lead vocalist si Mike Pont. At ang bassista nila si Bruno Norabel. At ang drummer nila guys ay si Steve West. At yung lead guitar naman nila ay dating lead guitar ng Megadeth, si Al Petrelli. At ang keyboardist naman nila guys ay si Casey Smith. Huwag na natin pagtagalin pa guys, sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react sa bagong cover song ng banda Mission Souls. Acoustic yung hawak ni Stacy niya. Wow!
Lying all alone in bed, crazy thoughts running through my head, thinking about you.
Kanina tinignan ko yung video ng bandang Danger Danger. Yung mga pormahan nila parang ano rin, parang pormahan ni Axl Rose, parang Guns N' Roses, ganon yung kanilang pormahan.
Trying hard to let it go. My head says yes, but my heart says no. I wish I never had to choose.
Galing ni Stacy mag-strum, no? Acoustic na acoustic yung vibes. Sarap pakinggan ng acoustic na tunog ni Stacy.
I've been walking down the same old road,
Si Nasia second voice.
trying hard to forget you, but I just can't let you go. I still think about
Astig nung pahasok, no? Biglang bagsak yung gitara tsaka drums.
you, think about me. I still think about you. No matter where you go, just as sure as
First time ko palang narinig to. Itong kanta na I Still Think About You. Ganda. Ang ganda ng areglo. Pero may nabasa ako doon sa Google na parang ini-imitate nila yung bandang Poison. Ayan, ano bang genre yung bandang Poison? Ayan. Next nga, hanapin natin yun. I-ano natin. I-content din natin.
wind blows, I still think about you. Do you think about me? Baby, I remember when you and me were best of friends. We crossed our
Kaya kaduet pala ni Stacy dito si Mami Sheena.
hearts and swore it was forever. But I guess that loving me was just a temporary thing.
Parang kasama to dun sa mga huli nilang kinover, ano? Ito rin yung suot nila guys eh. Siguro pag nag-record sila, hindi lang isang kanta. Marami silang pondo. Tapos iba-ibang araw nila nire-release.
And I wish you God that we were still together. I hope you found what you were looking for. It's been 3 years, a lot of tears.
Parang may kaparehas tong ano. Parang may katunog siya, no? Tong kanta na to. Hindi ko lang maalala eh. Pero ano rin, rock din kanta. May katunog siya eh. Lalo yung intro niya na acoustic.
Ain't got nothing but this song. I still think about you. Do you think about me? I still think about you.
Astig nung palo ni Ice ng drums, no? Sarap pakinggan nung ano niya, nung drum set niya. Yung drum set kasi alam ko tinotono rin yan eh. Yung drums ni Ice talagang sarap pakinggan. Nasa tono. Yung mga tom-tom, snare, pati yung mga cymbals niya sarap pakinggan. Yung kombinasyon pag pinapalo niya, hinampas.
No matter
Solid din ng tunog ng bass ni Daddy Second dito.
Do you think about me when you're all alone? When you need a friend, I guess it doesn't matter. 'Cause what we had will
Ang taas din pala nitong kanta na to. Napapabirit si Stacy. Ba, may pasabog na naman si Neisha. Madalas inaabangan talaga to guys eh. Bawat cover ng Banda Mission Souls tong adlib ni Neisha. Maraming umiidolo dito kay Neisha pagdating sa pagigitara. Ano ba yung ginawa ni Neisha? Ano ba yun? Sweeping. Galing, galing yung mag-sweeping. Yung paggapang ng daliri niya sa fretboard. Husay talaga ng batan to. Saludo. Yung guitar effects niya tunog 80s, no? Nung mga panahong kasagsagan ng hard rock.
lying all alone in bed, crazy thoughts running through my head.
Gusto ko yun, no? Yung tunog ng bass ni Daddy Second. Tududun. Pababa. Solid eh.
Thinking about you. I still think about you. Do you think about me? I still think about you.
Hindi masyadong magarbo yung palo ng drums ni Ice dito. Pero ang sarap pakinggan. Napaka-smooth lang. Pati yung keyboard ni Naces. Yung keyboard ni Naces parang lang siya eh. Parang violin ganon. Siya yung parang rhythm.
No matter where you go, just as sure as the cold wind blows, I still think about you. Oh.
Nagulat ako kay Nacia, sabi niya. Rockstar talaga. Ginaganahan mag-backup si Nacia eh.
Do you think about me? I still think about you.
Okay.
Yeah. No matter where you go.
Marami pa bang magandang kanta tong Danger Danger? Ayan, i-comment nyo nga guys sa mga familiar dito sa bandang Danger Danger. Kung ano yung mga magaganda nilang kanta.
Just as sure as the cold wind blows, I still think about you. Do you think about me?
Grabe, napaka-smooth ng patapos. No? Tsaka yung keyboard. Ganda ng tunog. Gumano si Nacia. Ang cute ng mga post nila eh. Grabe. Ibang klase talaga tong family band na to, no? Kaya marami talagang natutuwa. Maraming nagbabantay sa bago nilang cover song. And guys, isa na ng mga malupit na cover song ang ating napanood mula sa Banda Mission Souls. Kaya sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel, mag-subscribe na kayo guys dito sa kanilang channel. At ganun din sa ating muting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.